How to add an emoji in the Instagram Edits app. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Edits app. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Now, in order to add an emoji, you can create a post first. Tap on this plus icon. You can select the photo or video where you want to add the emoji. Now that you are in the editing dashboard, in order to add the emoji, if you have emoji installed in your keyboard, you can simply tap on this text option over here. Now it will prompt you to write some text. If you have emojis installed in the keyboard of your phone, you can see this kind of emoji option over here. You can tap on it. It will load all the emojis that you can use. There are many varieties of emojis that you can choose from. Select your preferred emoji and tap on done. You can even drag and adjust the position of the emoji. You can even add multiple emojis as much as you want. And once you are done, you can save this post and use this reel. So that's a very easy process to add emoji in Instagram Edits app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.